A bounce on offer here. However, once they settle down, the ball should come nicely onto the bat. We have the match referee and both the captains in the centre. These players will be taking the field today. Both teams look balanced and eager to perform.
Ladies and gents, please stand up for the national anthems.
Welcome everyone to this wonderful venue. We have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand. Pace bowler into the attack. The bowler has the new ball. We're all set to go for the first ball of the innings. Good shot for a single. That's an excellent throw. Oh, that's found the edge of the bat. Good delivery. Turned away for a single. It's a full house here, and what an atmosphere we've had for this match. Very good running between the wickets. I tell you what, the slow ball won't be a bad option on this pitch. Solidly blocked with an assured footwork. Feel the bowler should be around that good length area more. Played into the gap, should be able to run two here. Pace bowler now into the attack. Watchfully played by the batsman from the crease. Feel the bowler should be around that good length area more. It's in the gap. They will look for some extra runs here. That was a poor throw. Needs to be a lot more accurate. Nice throw straight to the top of the stumps. The bowler has overstepped, no ball. Batsman all set to cash in on this free hit. Good shot for a single. Extra cover in place. The batsman needs to be careful playing his cover drives. Well placed into the gap, possible too. Well, the captain has been very smart with his bowling changes. Right on top of the bounce as he defends. Pace bowler into the attack from the other end. Feel the bowler should be around that good length area more. Played it watchfully. Feel the bowler should be around that good length area more. Edge, but lands in a no man's land. He deserved a wicket there. The fitness level of the players today is something else. Wonderful to see them run like that. Good shot for a single. Wow, that was a really wide throw. Good ball and well defended too. Feel the bowler should be around that good length area more. Turned away for a single. It's a full house here, and what an atmosphere we've had for this match. Oh, that's found the edge of the bat. Good delivery. And the batting power play comes to an end. Good shot by the batsman. Can they steal a second here? Excellent running between the wickets. Good shot for a single. Good game awareness. He was covering the throw well. Turned away for a single. Poor ball, but that's a sensational shot. That's going to be 4. No ball called. That was a good ball and equally well played by the batsman. Get ready for the free hit now. Very good running between the wickets. That's a quick throw right on top of the stumps. Bowlers can actually get extra bounce by bowling cutters on this pitch. Good placement by the batsman. He should be looking for some runs here. That's a quick throw right on top of the stumps. There is a little bit on the surface for the bowlers. It's also good for batting. Right on top of the bounce as he defends. Feel the bowler should be around that good length area more. Glorious, absolutely glorious. Mid-off in place. Will he take him on again? Let's see. Good shot for a single. Long leg in place. Expect some chin music from the bowler. Turned away for a single. Very good running between the wickets. Squeeze a single there, good running. Spinner brought into the attack. Light drizzle in the air. Hope it doesn't get too heavy. Good shot for a single. Well played, but straight to the fielder. Good shot by the batsman. Can they steal a second here? Turned away for a single. Rain getting heavier now. The umpires will surely want to have a chat. Very good running between the wickets. Hammered away for four. Good placement. Yep, that's it. The umpires have decided the rain is too heavy for play to continue. Squeeze a single there. Good running. That's a quick throw. Right on top of the stumps. The umpires removing the bails. It's so frustrating for the fans and the players too. The players rushing back to the dressing room. We might lose some overs here.
As you can see behind me, the Super Soppers are working really hard. It's barely raining anymore, and the match has been curtailed, but the play will be back on soon.
Pace bowler now into the attack. Good shot for a single. That's an excellent throw. Dazzling batting by this duo. The captain needs to come up with a plan to break this partnership. Turned away for a single. Very well played, just working on the field where the gaps are. Good length, and he covers up in defense. Feel the bowler should be around that good length area more. Neat textbook style defense from the batsman. Feel the bowler should be around that good length area more. Solidly blocked with an assured footwork. Last ball coming up. Solidly blocked with an assured footwork. End of the first inning won't be long before we resume this thrilling contest.